Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baked potato soup in a crock pot. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh potatoes and savory bacon. This easy method ensures a delicious, comforting meal with minimal effort. We'll walk through each step, from preparation to the final delicious toppings, making sure your soup is perfect every time. Get ready for a warm, satisfying dish. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need about 5 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, chop 1 large onion and 4 stalks of celery. Don't forget the bacon. Cook 6 slices until crispy, then crumble them for later. This preparation sets the stage for a wonderfully flavorful soup, building a great base. Now for the slow cooker magic. Place your diced potatoes, chopped onion, and celery into the crock pot. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, along with your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Cook on a low setting for 6 to 8 hours, or until the potatoes are fork tender. For a creamier soup, mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. Almost ready to enjoy. Stir in 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of sour cream for richness. Then, add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and smooth. Serve your warm, creamy soup immediately. Garnish each bowl generously with the crumbled bacon and a sprinkle of fresh chives. It's a comforting meal everyone will love.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.